Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Plug a certified PD or QC charger into a wall outlet. Avoid USB ports on laptops. Once done, connect a high-quality USB-C cable directly to your phone. This minimizes resistance and heat. Make sure to enable airplane mode or disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to reduce background load. You do this because less power draw and lower cable resistance let the charger deliver higher current safely, which speeds up the initial charging phase. Now optimize conditions for sustained fast charging. Remove any case that traps heat and place the phone on a cool, hard surface so airflow can carry heat away. Next, confirm the charger negotiates the proper voltage/current profile, PD at 9V/2A or the device-specific fast profile, because the phone slows charging when it senses excess heat or incorrect voltage. You should also close heavy apps or games. This reduces simultaneous power draw and prevents thermal throttling, which keeps charging fast for longer. To finish, let the phone charge rapidly up to about 80%. You'll notice charging speed taper after that. This protects battery longevity. Once at 80%, you can leave it or top off at a slower rate. If charging is unexpectedly slow, swap the cable and charger to isolate the fault and try a different wall outlet. You do this to determine whether accessories are limiting power. Finally, restart your phone and check for software updates or battery settings that might cap charging. This often fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.